Hey guys, just a quick little project I did. My wife has her hair straightener iron and her blow dryer. She always leaves here beside the sink for when she gets ready to go somewhere. Normally she would keep it in the drawer, but it's a little aggravating for her to have to take it in and out of the drawer every time she wants to use it, so she pretty much just always leaves it there. Well, I had an idea to help keep it out and readily available for her, but at the same time, it could be put up sort of out of the way. And so that's when I made this. It's just a simple little holder that stores her hair dryer, her flat iron, and then the cords can be stored here. See, it's got this little piece of plastic tubing on top of it that prevents the metal from scuffing up her hair dryer and the iron. And this is how it looks when the hair dryer and flat iron are mounted on it or placed on it for storage. So now her hair dryer and flat iron are up and out of the way on a little rack that I think it looks okay. It looks pretty decent and blends for the most part with the surrounding fixtures. And how I made this is I just took a flat bar, 1/2 inch by basically an 1/8 inch. I can't remember, it was in metric, but it was say a 1/2 inch by a 1/8 inch thick aluminum flat bar. And I bought it 48 inches long. Of course, it didn't take the whole 48 inches. And I bent it in this curve to be slightly smaller than the hair dryer. Come across, I bent it at a 90, bent it around, made this little piece of bracket here to keep the flat iron from easily sliding off. Bent it down again another 90, come back up another 90, then gave this right here just a little lip to a little bit of a oval almost, and bent it straight back down, and it ends right there. And then, like I said earlier, to prevent from scuffing up the hair dryer and the iron part of the flat iron, I took I think it was a 3/8 inch plastic clear tubing. I split it down the middle and just stuck it on here, and to keep it from popping off each time she put her hair dryer and flat iron with the cords on and off of here, I just took a little bit of a hot glue, put on the inside of the tube, and stuck it down so that way it stays on, it don't easily pop off. And then I just screwed it to the wall. So real simple, quick and easy little project. Also, I forgot to mention that it doesn't come shiny like this. So what I did was I gave it a quick little sanding to take the factory coating off and polished it up a little bit, and that's how it looks.